Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor Play 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. First, let's open the settings by tapping this icon right here. In settings, let's select the battery. And here we have power saving mode and ultra power saving mode. First, let's enable the power saving mode by tapping the slider next to it and tapping enable. As you can see, the power saving mode is enabled now, and to disable it, simply tap on the slider again. We can also enable the ultra power saving mode. So let's tap the slider, tap enabled. Enable rather, not enabled. As you can see, we entered the ultra power saving mode. The device is restricted by a lot. You have the black screen, text is white, and you have access only to a few apps. But it will save more power in the process, of course. And to exit this mode, tap on this icon right here in the top right corner and tap exit. Like this. You can also turn on the ultra power saving mode another way. To do it, open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here we have ultra battery saver icon. Simply tap on it and tap enable to turn on the ultra power saving mode. And to exit it, of course, tap on the icon right here in the top right corner and select exit. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.